How's it going, you guys? And welcome to season 2 of Hog Squad. So, this season is going to be a lot different, as you're about to see. This is our first episode of season 2, and we're heading straight to Catalina to go catch some, hopefully, yellowtail, but it's not looking too good, and they don't have any squid right now, and that seems like all they want to eat is squid. The current's not looking too good. So we'll probably go for some bonito and some calico bass and see how we do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video because season 2 is going to be a lot more of this. So I'll see you guys on Catalina. I think we should stop throwing him some food right now. Switch artificial. Oh! On the A-rig, huh? Look at this little doink, dude. Fat guy. Little fat doinker. The little fat Catalina chunk right here. Get him back in the yellow. Doubled up right now. A fatty calico and a bonito.
What's up?
Reel him up, reel him up. Tripled up right now. Nice little calico. Don't roll them up all the way.
Yeah.
All right, let's get these guys back in the water. He's still there. Fish on.
Another one.
Calico. Oh, that's a fat calico. I'll get him off for you. Yeah.
Yeah, he got a little stuffed.
Fat calico. Teach me your ways. Nice bonito on over here. Another calico. Get him off the hook. Yeah. Get another one? Calico. I think that starts with a Y.
A little bit neat for sure. Not fighting up a bass.
Fish on.
Maybe.
It's a good one.
I love fighting these things on my line,
He's ripping. How deep are we right now? Is that a bonito?
Is that a bass? It's a mean bass, bro. Yeah. Here's my dragons that are loose.
This bass better be freaking huge. Oh, he's a big boy. That chunky bass right there. Ew. Oh yeah. There's some big head shakes.
Found a couple bass.
You know it, dude. Got a good one on. Calico. Yeah. Oh, dude, I think he got me and killed. I got him out. Nice bass. Check him out. Another fatty calico. Not exactly what we're after, but we'll take him. Camera is on. Got a big boy on. Here we go.
One of those kudos.
Calico, switching up, rock caughting. Nathan's on. Tripled up right now. Getting the work done. Rock caughting. This thing is heavy, whatever it is. Dude, I just had drag get pulled. I'm afraid I'm gonna need the, what is it? Oh,
Just as I predicted. 3 big salmon.
yeah. Salmon grouper 1, 2, and 3. It's my Me too. Oh. Now.
Yeah, you're getting your tacos now.
Yeah. Say, now we're talking tacos. Oh. Taco Saturday.
Put them in here, or you want to put them in the fish holder?
So basically, as you guys saw, lots of calico bass on the fly line, and threw some artificials out for him, got him on those too. We got a couple bonito we were after, and I mean, they were fun. I mean, I didn't get any, Nathan didn't get any, but Jim laid down the line. Shout out to Jim for laying down the line on those bonito. Got that double hookup bait rig, got one on that. Such a great rig. Get a 3-way swivel, one shorter than the other. They swim in between each other, or you can just burn them in like he was doing and getting them. And we got one big bite. Who knows what that could have been? Could have been a big bonito, but you never know. But the calico bass fishing was amazing. And episode 2 will be coming soon. And for episode 2, we're obviously going back to Catalina and chasing some bigger fish. So yeah, we'll catch you guys on episode 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Real giveaways coming up. We're at like 400 something subscribers right now. And once we hit 500, we're giving that thing away. So stay tuned and catch you guys in episode 2. Later. Peace.